Hey guys, what's up? Today we're taking a quick look at this. It's the Surge Power Tower multi-charging station with 9 outlets and 6 USB ports. So we're going to open this up and take a quick look at it. Okay, so I already started opening it earlier, so that's why it's ripped, because I did a pretty bad job unboxing it. We'll unbox it now. Well, first of all, the front, you can just kind of see the device there. The side has a picture of it with more information. Again, another angle. And the picture of it again. The Power Tower multi-charging station with 9 outlets and 6 USB ports. So initially there were 3 seals here, plastic seals, so I cut those open already. Then you got the front, it kind of pulls this tab open here, kind of ripped obviously, and then this top piece lifts open. So then you got the rest of it's fairly basic. So let's take a look at the device. It's kind of stuck in there. If we get the cord out with it, oh, that's why the cord was wedging it. It is very lightweight, so I was kind of expecting it to be heavier. Okay, so the first thing you notice is the power cable here, and it appears to be attached to the device. You can't remove it, to my knowledge. And let's take the plastic off. And here we have the device. So I'm going to set it down. Doesn't really stick to the surface. That's probably because there's nothing on the bottom. You know, with these here are probably meant for screw heads or notches and whatnot, but most likely I would have it on my desk just like that. So let's take a closer look. You'll notice that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 power outlets, and then there are 6 individual USB ports, 2100 milliamps, so you know what it's rated at. On the side you got these buttons, very tactile, very tactile, and very noisy, and they're most likely going to be used to disable and enable the power on each row. On the top, sort of protrusion, little LED light indicators, probably for when you disable and enable this. So in addition to the device itself, plastic protector, see the prongs there, and let's see if I can measure it. So it's approximately 4 feet. So let's plug it in and test it out. Okay, so here's the device plugged in, and I'm going to test it out with a couple of different things. Let's use the bottom one here. Plug it in. Kind of weird, but just for demonstration purposes. By default, it's not actually powering. It's not on. You have to press the buttons on the side to power it on. Let's check this. It's like you can never get it right on the first try. Let's take a look at these earbuds here. And I'm going to click the top one. And you can see that they're charging. You can see that the red light there on the top. So if I turn this off, they're not charging. Turn it on. You see that there's an indicator up here, kind of hard to see. Here's my phone, and press the button, and it's charging now. It does indeed work, and it's kind of cool to have the option to power on and off these sections. So that's it for the unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, consider giving me a thumbs up, or maybe subscribing if you want to see future videos. So until next time.